Right into this. This is BPA, right? This is the inspecting engineer representing FIU, and I am not taking sides on this, so you know. But they were the same voice as FIU, and FIU had their own voice also. And this is what they claim. I'll get to that back to that page, but let's see how I got there. So let's go over 2 tabs. Hold on. So the University of Florida International University had these 3 that were on the short list. Bolton Perez Associates was the winner of the winner, if you will, the bid. And let's just go to Bolton Perez, and Bolton Perez and Associates. All right. So there we go. Boca Raton, Florida. Let's bounce over, and we'll come back to that one. We bounce over, and here it is. We get to their Florida Engineering Society, established in 1916. Engineering Society gives the 2019 award to the. Anyway, look, let's go on. We slide over to. Hold on. What's that guy? Wrong one. Sorry, this foundation thing. And BPA. So here's BPA. Here's the same company again. BPA Perch. You go to their website, they brag about everything they can do. Everything they could. There's the other company that 3,400 employees, which is nice. Well, BPA is the winning contract, and this is what they brag about. Look at the structure here. Now I won't tell you what's below here because I know, and you look at the structure and tell me how many of you guys would have been able to evaluate this within 24 hours, within one day, and say this bridge is structurally sound. How many of you would have been able to say this is structurally sound? How many of you would have said it was structurally sound within one day? Look at this thing. How many of you would have gone out there and said that? Well, let's read. BPA is very responsive to emergency situations. We performed emergency response services to MDX when on October 3rd, 2002, we were contacted to evaluate the damage that occurred after a fuel tanker truck jumped the traffic railing, exploding on impact, so it's an explosion on impact, and the parking area below, with the parking area below. Exploded on impact with the parking area below, whatever that means. I guess it blew up. All these cars have heat also now, right? Heat. And created a fire under SR State Route 836 bridge over Northwest 7th Avenue. Our quick response and structural assessment of the bridge was crucial to reestablishing traffic on the bridge the same day. How many of you would have said that was good to go? I know I would not have. I mean, I'm only looking at an image, right? So they were out there, but look at this. It doesn't matter if the truck did this that day or not. If you don't find this on the ground or not, you still now are going to say this is good to go. But heat has a way of deforming metal. Heat does that, and these appear to be post-tension members from here to here. The spans appear to be that way. I could be wrong. And the heat could relax those members and cause issues. Even if it's rebar, I don't care. It's still a lot of heat here, and this soot and everything went up to there, and they just called it what they said here was crucial to establishing traffic on the bridge the same day. That's amazing. That is an amazing thing to do. And look at the undermining of the foundation here as they're over here. Maybe they're not using it. They're only using one lane at this point. Or maybe they're using restrictive traffic. Doesn't matter. That's still scary under restrictive traffic. So if BPA shows up, you better run. My feeling. And they love talking about how great they are with their projects. But when you look at their projects down here, they left off FIU. How could they leave that beautiful project off? That was a cornerstone of their current projects, and now it's nowhere to be found. Okay, that was just me trolling. Hope you guys enjoyed it.